Imagine a future where your health is vibrant, your energy is boundless, and your liver is functioning at its absolute best. That future is closer than you might think. Today, we're going to dive into the powerful benefits of a little-known vitamin that can transform the health of your liver and breathe new life into your overall well-being. Are you tired of feeling sluggish, bloated, or weighed down? Do you struggle with chronic fatigue or digestive issues? If so, the state of your liver may be to blame. Your liver is a hard-working organ that performs over 500 critical functions in the body, from filtering toxins to regulating blood sugar. When your liver becomes compromised, it can wreak havoc on your entire system. One of the most common liver conditions is fatty liver disease. Fatty liver occurs when fat accumulates in the liver, interfering with its ability to function properly. This can lead to inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure if left untreated. The good news is, there's a simple, natural solution that can help reverse fatty liver and restore your liver to optimal health. That solution is the incredible antioxidant known as vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble nutrient that plays a vital role in liver function and overall well-being. Numerous studies have shown that vitamin E can be a highly effective treatment for fatty liver disease, helping to reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and even prevent the progression to more serious liver damage. In fact, vitamin E has been shown to be just as effective as the prescription medication pioglitazone in treating non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, without the potential side effects. And the benefits don't stop there. Vitamin E has also been linked to a reduced risk of liver cancer, improved cognitive function, and a stronger immune system. Are you ready to discover the power of vitamin E and give your liver the support it needs to thrive? Stay tuned as we explore the remarkable ways this essential nutrient can transform your health from the inside out. Let's start by taking a closer look at the role of vitamin E in liver health. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that plays a crucial part in protecting the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. When you have a fatty liver, the excess fat in the liver can lead to the production of harmful free radicals and inflammatory compounds. This can damage liver cells and impair the liver's ability to perform its vital functions. Vitamin E steps in as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing these free radicals and reducing inflammation in the liver. Studies have shown that vitamin E supplementation can significantly improve liver enzyme levels, decrease fat accumulation in the liver, and even reverse the progression of fatty liver disease. One landmark study published in the New England Journal of Medicine followed 247 patients with non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, a severe form of fatty liver disease. The participants were randomly assigned to receive either vitamin E or a placebo for 96 weeks. The results were truly remarkable. The group taking vitamin E experienced a significant improvement in liver histology, with a 43% reduction in the likelihood of disease progression compared to the placebo group. These findings have been corroborated by numerous other studies, which have consistently demonstrated the liver protective effects of vitamin E. For example, a review of 21 clinical trials involving over 2,000 patients with fatty liver disease found that vitamin E supplementation led to significant improvements in liver enzyme levels, reduced inflammation, and decreased fat accumulation in the liver. But the benefits of vitamin E don't stop there. This versatile nutrient has also been shown to have a positive impact on insulin sensitivity and metabolic health, two key factors that contribute to the development of fatty liver disease. Insulin resistance is a hallmark of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and it can lead to a vicious cycle of elevated blood sugar, inflammation, and further liver damage. Vitamin E has been found to improve insulin sensitivity, helping to break this cycle and prevent the progression of fatty liver disease. In one study, researchers followed 247 patients with NASH for 96 weeks. They found that the group receiving vitamin E experienced a significant improvement in insulin sensitivity, as well as a reduction in markers of inflammation and liver damage. Another study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition involved 74 patients with NASH. The participants were divided into two groups. One received vitamin E, while the other received a placebo. After 6 months, the vitamin E group showed a marked improvement in insulin sensitivity, as well as a reduction in liver fat and inflammation. This connection between vitamin E, insulin sensitivity, and liver health is crucial. By improving insulin resistance, vitamin E can help prevent the development and progression of fatty liver disease, as well as reduce the risk of related metabolic conditions like type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. But the benefits of vitamin E don't stop there. This powerful antioxidant has also been linked to a reduced risk of liver cancer. Chronic liver inflammation and oxidative stress are major risk factors for the development of hepatocellular carcinoma, the most common type of liver cancer. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver, vitamin E may help to prevent the genetic mutations and cellular changes that can lead to cancer. In a large-scale study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, researchers followed over 130,000 men and women for more than a decade. They found that those who took vitamin E supplements had a significantly lower risk of developing liver cancer compared to those who did not take supplements. The anti-cancer effects of vitamin E have been further supported by other studies, which have shown that this nutrient can inhibit the growth and spread of liver cancer cells, as well as enhance the effectiveness of certain chemotherapy drugs. But the benefits of vitamin E don't stop at the liver. This versatile nutrient has also been linked to improved cognitive function and a stronger immune system. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that can protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key contributors to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Studies have shown that vitamin E supplementation can improve measures of cognitive function, such as memory, processing speed, and executive function. One study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association followed over 5,000 older adults for an average of 5 years. They found that those who took vitamin E supplements had a significantly lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease compared to those who did not take supplements. In addition to its neuroprotective effects, vitamin E has also been shown to have a positive impact on the immune system. As an antioxidant, vitamin E can help to neutralize the free radicals and inflammatory compounds that can weaken the immune system and increase susceptibility to illness. Several studies have found that vitamin E supplementation can enhance the function of immune cells, such as T cells and natural killer cells, which play a crucial role in fighting off infections and diseases. Vitamin E has also been shown to improve the body's response to vaccines, making them more effective in protecting against illness. Given the wide-ranging benefits of vitamin E for liver health, metabolic function, cognitive function, and immune function, it's clear that this nutrient is a powerful tool for supporting overall well-being. But how much vitamin E do you need to reap these benefits? The recommended daily intake of vitamin E is 15 mg mg for adults, but many experts believe that higher doses may be necessary to effectively treat conditions like fatty liver disease. In the studies we've discussed, the participants were typically given 400-800 U international units of vitamin E per day, which is equivalent to 268,535 milligrams. It's important to note that vitamin E is a fat-soluble nutrient, which means it can accumulate in the body and potentially cause side effects at very high doses. However, most research suggests that vitamin E is generally safe and well tolerated, even at higher doses. When it comes to choosing a vitamin E supplement, it's important to look for a high-quality, natural source of the nutrient. Synthetic vitamin E, which is often found in cheaper supplements, may not be as effective or well absorbed as the natural form. Additionally, it's important to choose a supplement that contains the right type of vitamin E. There are actually 8 different forms of vitamin E, and the most beneficial for liver health is the alpha-tocopherol form. So, in summary, if you're looking to support your liver health, boost your metabolic function, and enhance your overall well-being, vitamin E is a must-have nutrient. By incorporating a high-quality vitamin E supplement into your daily routine, you can take an important step towards a healthier, more vibrant future. In conclusion, vitamin E is a game-changing nutrient that can transform the health of your liver and your entire body. Whether you're struggling with fatty liver disease, insulin resistance, or simply want to support your overall well-being, vitamin E offers a natural, effective solution. By incorporating this powerful antioxidant into your daily routine, you can experience a range of benefits, from improved liver function to enhanced cognitive performance and immune health. So why wait? Start your journey to a healthier, more vibrant future with the power of vitamin E.